What's the meaning of allowance? Allowance. 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 Allowance.
An allowance refers to a sum of money given regularly to someone, often a child or dependent, by a parent or guardian. This money is typically used for personal expenses, such as entertainment or purchases not covered by regular household expenses. An allowance can also refer to an amount of something that is permitted or allowed. For example, a daily allowance of calories for someone on a diet. Overall, an allowance is a predetermined amount of money or resources made available for a specific purpose or period of time.